Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add or remove password for Microsoft Word document. Microsoft Word has additional security feature is password protection. If you would like to make your Word document more secure, then you have to add the password for the document. This will be preventing your important document to open unknown people when keep it on the common places. Let's learn how you can set up the password protected Word document. Open the Word document what you would like to protect with password. Then go to File, then click on the Info tab. Here you have to click on the Protect Document. Then you have to select the Encrypt with Password. Here you have to enter the password. Click OK. You have to again enter the password. Then click OK. Now your document has been protected with password. Save the document and close. If anyone would like to open this document, it will be asking the password. You must enter the password to open this document. So this will be really secure your Word document. If you would like to remove the password for this document, again go to File, Info, then click on the Protect Document. Again click on the Encrypt with Password. Here you have to just remove the password. Then you have to click on the OK with blank text box. Now your password has been removed from this document. Now you can open the document without password. In this way you can protect your Word document with more secure. I hope useful this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, click on the like button.